topic for today is transport. There are mainly three modes of transport: land transport, water transport, and air transport. In land transport, railways are used for carrying a large number of people as well as heavy goods from one place to another. While in roadways, buses, auto rickshaws, cars, etc. travel on road and carry people and goods from one place to another. Water transport is the cheapest means of transport, but it is very time-consuming. In water transport, boats and ships are used to carry people and heavy goods from one place to another. Air transport is the fastest and most expensive means of transport. There are two types of airways. Domestic airways operate within the country. While international airways connect different countries to each other.